Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I will share with you Luo Han's high fried noodles. It is avoided to kill animals on the first day of the Lunar New Year. It is recommended to eat vegetarian food for the first meal. Ingredients include cloud fungus, mushrooms, carrots, young corn, soaked fried yuba, mushroom slices, whole egg noodles bought in supermarkets. Try some as a side dish. Materials can be added or reduced by yourself, but it must be vegetarian. For example, tofu puffs, fried tofu, or sprouts. Anyone can join. Soak the mushrooms and cloud fungus in hot water first. You can also soak it in cold water, but it will take longer. Cut the straw mushroom in half. Pearls are too long to eat. 欢迎来到求其主的频道。As in the video, peel the carrots. Cut it into thin slices. The mushrooms and cloud fungus are still soaking. Process the fried noodles first. Boil appropriate amount of water. Add a tablespoon of oil. 欢迎来到求其主的频道。This kind of noodles is dry and hard. Need to cook longer. Fried noodles bought at noodle shops can be scooped out immediately after boiling until loose. For this kind of noodles, cook until loose and continue to cook for 3 minutes. Pick it up. Spread it out and let the water evaporate. Use a fan to cool it down for better results. Set aside for later use. The mushrooms have been soaked. Cut off its stem. There is a lot of sand at the bottom of the mushrooms. Rub it with cornstarch. Rub gently. Cornstarch can effectively remove sand and mud. Rinse clean. Depending on the size of the mushrooms, cut them into small pieces for easier eating. These ingredients have a light taste. Season them. Boil appropriate amount of water. Add a teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Add all ingredients and cook for 5 minutes. Pick up and drain. Wash the wok clean. Start making fried noodles. If you use a coated easy clean wok, never dry burn. Otherwise it will be damaged. Stainless steel woks and iron woks must be heated. Otherwise the noodles will stick to the pan. How long should it take to burn? You can refer to my old videos. Just the link in the upper right corner. After the wok is heated, turn off the heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Shake well. Add noodles. Turn on medium heat. Fry each side for 3 minutes. Move the wok so it heats evenly. The noodles move easily, which means one side is fried well. You can flip it and fry the other side. Move the wok so it heats evenly. In order to shorten the production time, restaurants or tea restaurants will use more oil. Deep fried. Shorten the time. Makes all noodles crispy. But I prefer the texture of crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. You can decide which method to use based on personal preference. Pick it up and drain it. When the noodles are fried well, they can be scooped up whole and will not fall apart. No need to wash the wok, just add water and cook the cabbage some. There is oil in the wok, no need to add any more. Half teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt. You can choose your favorite vegetables. Make this dish richer. If you like a crispy texture, boil it for 90 seconds. If you like a softer taste, extend the time yourself. Pour away the water from the wok. Add half a bowl of water. Add ingredients. Use vegetarian seasonings. Half teaspoon sugar, 1/5 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, half tablespoon dark soy sauce. Turn to low heat, otherwise the stirring speed will be too slow and it will cause agglomeration. Affect the appearance. Add appropriate amount of cornstarch, water, and cook until thick. Because the density of fried noodles is lower, the gravy should be thicker. Otherwise, it will look like soup noodles and affect the appearance. As shown in the video, it is enough. Add a teaspoon of sesame oil. Turn off the heat. Cut the fried noodles to allow the soup to penetrate into the inner layer. Judging from the sound, you can tell that the noodles are very crispy. Put the cabbage some on the edge. Put the ingredients on the surface. Today's Luo Hongzhai fried noodles is completed. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the notification button. Never miss video updates. Thank you for watching.